Can we do that? Can we lock the funk in? I don't believe you. Will we lock the funk in?
Question for you. What does it mean to be the king every time that you make your voice ring, every time that you get on the scene, every time that you do what you dream, every time that you realize everything that you've been doing, every time that you get up on the music, cause you really got a special gift every time that you do it to the people up at the man. I can't really exist in this world without somebody like you. I mean, damn, this is the music, the groove, and the rhythm that we feel every time that I move. I mean, damn, you really uplift attitudes, not to mention what he's doing. That's just girl, and I feel the groove, I feel the rhythm, back into something, breaking out the prism. I feel something, I know it's gifted. I feel something, and I know I'm gifted. And yes, you gotta give it cause it is. Gotta give it cause I feel. Every time I know I can't upset the mind, I can't upset the fact that I really find every word, every time that I give it a now. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but you really bring the 9. I mean, like, I can imagine life without a diamond. I can imagine life when it was reminding people. Every time you gotta change the standard, the religion, I mean, all your life, I mean, all your life, I mean, all your life, I mean, all my life I had to fight. All my life I had to fight. Got this. And all my life I had to fight. Like that. Like this. Like that. You really know that.
Somewhere. If you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere, you better wake up. Okay. Wake up. Okay. Wake up and pay attention. You better wake up. Wake up. Wake up. away.